Alright, so I just started. I'm actually doing a light cycle right now, just because I bought some new dishes and I wanted to run them through the dishwasher. But that's the loudest it gets. Please excuse my mess. I'm doing spring cleaning, so I have stuff everywhere. And it's pulling the water now, which you can barely hear. And it's temporarily right here. I measured my cabinet space. So a friend of mine is going to come and shave a little bit off, a half an inch off the bottom of my cabinet. So it will eventually go up here next to, underneath the cabinet. But whenever I run the dishwasher, well, it normally goes here, and I put it on my 2 bar stools in front of my sink. And then when it's done, I unload it and I move it right back. I have no issues lifting it. But again, this is just temporary. I couldn't be happier with this dishwasher. It is absolutely amazing. It saved me so much time and so many arguments with my son. It's perfect. It's only the 2 of us, me and my 16-year-old son, and I run it usually once every 2 or 3 days. And that's how as loud as it gets. Highly recommend this dishwasher. It is a lifesaver. I'm so happy I bought it. It's the best.